Welcome to SAXOPRINT.cloud. Your organization is using this online printing platform to offer you a range of printing templates which you can customize, cost, and then order in the cloud. The dashboard is there to help you keep track of the current status of your printing templates. You can also access further information about products here. The printing template area is where you'll find both all of the templates available to you and your own documents. Use the editor to create your own printing templates. The Tools bar in the editor contains various functions, including the ability to place text fields and shapes in the template. It's also easy to upload or remove image files and then modify graphics or text in keeping with your organization's corporate design. Your administrator sets the parameters for how you work on the platform. Next, configure your printed product as desired. The price will be updated in real time to reflect changes as you make them. You can then check your configuration again in the shopping basket before you go ahead and order, in just 4 easy steps. In My Account, you'll find your order history and further information about your account. We hope you enjoy exploring SAXOPRINT.cloud, the innovative cloud printing solution by SAXOPRINT.